Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's video we're heading to the Cotswolds. We recently stayed in the most beautiful off-the-grid cabin, and during our trip we explored some of the area's most popular villages. So if you're visiting the Cotswolds for the first time and not sure where to begin, I hope this video helps you out in navigating your first visit. Daylesford Organic is one of the Cotswolds' most iconic destinations and truly a must visit. We visited over a weekend, which is one of their busiest times, particularly during peak season. So I would recommend coming midweek if you can for a more relaxed experience. The setting is absolutely stunning and offering everything from curated pantry staples and an impressive cheese cellar to fine wines, elegant homeware and thoughtfully selected gifts. Next on your Cotswolds itinerary is Broadway, which is a charming historic village. Explore its lovely eateries, art and antique shops, and standout stores like the Broadway deli that I highly recommend, Ocker, At Home with the Rudds and Susie Watson Designs. Another favourite stop is the charming village of Bourton-on-the-Water. This picturesque spot is dotted with cosy cafes and tea rooms, as well as unique shops offering pottery, perfume and even a distillery. Stow-On-The-Wold is a lively historic market town with charming lanes and traditional pubs, including the famous Porch House Inn, the oldest inn in the Cotswolds and steeped in history. It's also wonderful for cheese shops, cafes, antique stores and familiar names like Fairfax and Favour and the Cotswolds Company. Finally, make Burford Garden Company your last stop on your way home. This is a must visit and truly one of my favourite garden centres I've ever visited. This impressive one-stop shop is filled with beautiful home brands like Pookie Lighting, plus a cafe, cheese and wine shop, gallery and even a bookshop. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this helpful if you're looking to visit the Cotswolds soon. This is just a small glimpse into some of the most popular villages here in the Cotswolds. However, there is so many other beautiful little villages worth visiting also that I hope to share with you in a future video. So give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the TBV community, and I hope you're all having the most wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Take care guys, bye.